everyone. We are from class 5th D. Myself Shreya. She is Anjita. She is Alokana. She is Jyoti. She is Khushi. She is Gopal. She is Jayasagar. She is Chandana. And she is Pooji. Here we have to explain about rainbow. Most rainbow forms when the sun rays strike the falling raindrops from far away rain clouds. Rainbow appear in the part of the sky opposite the sun, usually in the early morning and late afternoon. From inside to outside, the colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These colors we call as ribbon. Rainbow has multicolored arcs from the sky when sunlight shines throughout the water as the result of light reflects by the reflection and split. When sunlight shines throughout the water droplet, it splits into 7 colors. About violet. The color of violet is the end of the rainbow because it has the shortest wavelength of visible light. It is the lowermost or final color of the rainbow. The violet is invited by William Mallory Perkin. The violet combined by a red and blue pigment. Thank you. About indigo. The color of the indigo color is band of the rainbow. Isaac Newton named and definited the indigo color as a spectrum color when he divided the indigo upon the spectrum color, the current colors of the indigo.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
Blue. It is the fifth odd color in the rainbow. Within the rainbow, blue denominates split word combined with water. Most blue contain a sunlight and a mixture of other colors. Blue is invented by Isaac Newton. About green color.
Makes
The light is reflected twice inside the water droplet and they can form the green color in rainbow. It is known as secondary color. The green color is invented by Isaac Newton. It is the fifth color of the rainbow. Beside the rainbow, yellow represents the brilliance of the sun. It is invented by Isaac Newton. Orange is the sixth color of the rainbow. Furthermore, this color is the combination of the colors before and after. Red and yellow respectively. Besides the rainbow, orange represents creativity and the ability to enjoy oneself. Orange is invented by Isaac Newton. Thank you. Red was always wavelength of around 780 nanometers. Blue to violet, the shortest wavelength is at 380 nanometers. The second color is still a popular one and because remember the order